Hello and Asalamaliekum. How are you guys? Today I will teach you how to do this simple soft Eid look in detail. So let's begin. First of all, let's prime our eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And this is shade 15. That is my shade. And what I'm going to do is, it's a very simple look. You can use any concealer. This is a drugstore concealer and it's easily available. That is why I'm using this. And I am going just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna blend it with my ring finger. Now I did my base and my eyebrows off the camera because I'm just focusing more on the eye look. And if you want to see how I did my base and my eyebrows, you can definitely check a video. It's gonna pop up here and it's gonna tell you how to do a flawless base with eyebrows. So now when I lay down my base, I am going to go the Morphe 35H Hot Spot palette. It is gorgeous. Just look at this color story. Oh my God. I mean, wow. So there is no specific palette. I'm just using this palette. You can use any palette. I'm using very common colors, which most of the palettes have. And this one, I'm just going to be using something in my crease. So you see this brown color? This color I'm just going to be using in my crease with this fluffy brush. And this is E35 Sigma tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to be using this in my crease. This color is available in most of the palettes. Wet n Wild, Rose in the Air have this color. And it's a very affordable drugstore palette. Tapped off the excess and now I am just tapping it in the corner. The key is to hold the brush from the bottom. Don't hold the brush like this, okay? Hold the brush from the bottom. It's easy to blend. If you hold the brush like this, the color is a lot bolder. And if you hold the color from here, it's from the end, it's easier and more controlled. So I am just going to blend it. And then whatever, okay, so right now I see it a little bit dark. If you want it light, you can blend it more with no product on the brush. And if you want it to stay like this, then you can. It's all personal preference. So I blended it a little bit more without no product and it's just going up. I am not going down, just up and blending. I don't know if you can see. And that's it. I'm not touching anything. If you want, with no product in the brush, just go diagonal. Just a little bit of blending. Blending is the key. That's it. A good base and blending, that's the key. So, you see, this is just one color, and just one dip, but I just blended. So you see, that is it. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. blending brush, and this one is a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to pick up a darker color. So this usually is available in all the palettes, a darker brown. And I prefer to take a darker reddish tone brown, not an ashy brown. So that, and tap off the excess, always tap off the excess. And I am going to place it just here. That's it. Just one dot. And always, never close your eyes. Look down in a mirror and blend. So this is, I'm just tapping it. Pure tap, not even blending it here right now. I'm just tapping it and I'm just making a shape where I want it to go. And I just don't want to do a full eye, just want to do a very light, soft, natural look. So this is where the color is going to lie. That's it, outer corner. And I'm going to take again, the same tapered blending brush from Sigma. Wipe away. I have always the wiping cloth here, and I wipe away whatever is on the brush, and with no product, I'm just going to blend the harsh edges of the brush. Again, holding it at the very end, I am just blending. Do you see the difference? It's a lot of blending, but the more blending, the more beautiful and flawless the look. Remember. And then I'm just going to do the same at an angle. And I'm not going, notice I'm not going in my inner corner at all. I'm not even touching my inner corner. And there's a reason for that. I don't want my eyes to look closed. I want my eyes to look very open. So that's why I'm not even touching my inner corner. This brush is my recent purchase. I will do a whole detailed video on this. It's amazing. I got it off on Amazon and I can link it down below. This is short shader brush 3. It's Mangue. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But look at this. It's like this. This is how it is. And I would pick a shimmer. So I usually go for something very gold or white, in order, like, depends. If you are wearing gold, then go for gold. If you're wearing silver, go for white shimmer. And that these 3 colors are in every palette. I am going for more like pink shimmer because I am wearing a peach tone color. So this is the amount I'll pick up. And with the shimmers, I do not tap off the excess. I never tap off the excess because we have to deposit the pigment as much as we can on your eye, right? So you see? So basically you just press it. There is no blending. You're just depositing right here. And see how it's matching now? This is a gorgeous color. It has 2-tone shimmer. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a must. I bought this palette because it was on sale on Sephora and I was like, let's just give it a go. But I was so happy. I was like, I'm just so happy that I bought this because it has amazing colors. I am going to do swatches later on for this palette. But this palette is amazing. Well, enough talking about the palette. And the last step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this silver shimmer and I'm just going to load my brush here. And I'm not tapping away the excess, okay? And gently, I'm going to put it in my inner corner. So this is how it opens up the eye. I'm going to do the lashes and eyeliner. I'll come back. So this is my final Eid look. Just added a little bit of chumkas, and this is my peach hijab. But yeah, this is the Eid look. It's very soft, simple, subtle. Anyone can do it with 3 colors, and you can find those colors in any palette. It is soft brown, dark brown, and a shimmer, and anyone can do it. Yes, I did my eyelashes and my eyeliner off the camera. If you want to know how to apply eyeliner in simple and easy steps, the video is coming very soon. But yes, I hope you like this Eid look and I hope you will give it a try. And quick, simple, easy look. You can do the Eid morning because I know it's very busy. So I hope you are having an amazing Ramadan, and I pray for this situation, the pandemic. I hope everybody is okay. I am praying for our world. So many loved ones losing their lives. So I am praying. Yeah, I hope this Ramadan brings so much mercy to the world that the whole virus is gone. It's just as soon as Ramadan finishes, the virus goes away, which is my prayer. I hope, and I pray. Until next video, take care. Goodbye. Love you. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.